Walking down the aisle, I'm just thinking, like, I'm not gonna cry, I'm not gonna cry. This is my dream wedding that I have wanted since I was 9. You did good. Oh, stepped on my dress.
We're all gathered here today to witness the giving and receiving of marriage vows.
All right, here we go. Jonathan, you are the one I wish to dream with, as long as you stop snoring. You are the one I want to walk side by side with, hand in hand, as long as you stop snoring. With this ring, I give you all of this.
As long as he stops snoring.
Dude, your vows were lacking.
I told you mine were gonna be short, and you're like, mine are short
all
too.
But all you repeated was snoring. Like, I've worked my ass off not to snore.
Yeah, but you do, and I guarantee you're gonna snore tonight.